Want to turn a blog post or a web page into a video? Here's how to do it with Pictory's URL to video feature. Start by selecting URL to video from your dashboard, then paste in the link to your article or blog post. Next, choose the type of video you want to create, then select the platform where you want to post your video. You can also set the video length. Pictory automatically adjusts the pacing and structure for you. Then click Generate Script. Pictory will instantly summarize your web page and turn it into a full video script. If you want to tweak it, use Pictory's Ask AI tool to rephrase, shorten, or adjust the tone so it matches your brand voice. Before generating your video, double check your aspect ratio and add your brand kit if you have one. Then click Generate Video. Pictory will turn your script into video scenes, matching each section with relevant stock visuals, captions, and background music. Now, it's time to make it yours. Swap visuals, change text fonts or colours, add caption transitions, or add scene transitions. You can also select from a range of AI voiceovers powered by ElevenLabs, or change the background music. When you're happy with your edits, preview your video to make sure everything looks perfect. Then go ahead and click Download. In just a few minutes, you'll have a ready-to-share video optimized for your chosen platform. Try Pictory's URL to video feature today at pictory.ai.